tray, Play-Doh, and water. How do we make an isthmus?
Let's make it. Okay? Go.
Add some water.
Okay, can you pour it in a little slowly? Yep, another side too. Stop.
We made an isthmus. Yay, we did! Isthmus. Isthmus.
Okay, what are we making next?
A strait.
How do we make a strait? Is that a land form or a water form?
Water form.
So we need some land. I think we need some on the other side. What do you think?
Mommy.
This side?
We should find it.
Okay.
Yay.
Can we get some from here?
Correct. We made a strait.
Oh, not yet. What else do we need to add?
Water.
Okay, go for it.
Ow. Wow, that looks so good.
What is it?
Street. Looks like a cave.
Okay, you want to pour in the water?
Set, go. There's the stick. Yay! We made a cave.
Put our land. Want to help me squish them down?
Squish, squish, squish. Add some water. Wow, look, we did it! Go!
What are we making next?
A peninsula. How do we make a peninsula?
Let's get some land. So, can you help me squish it down?
Yes. Can. Done.
Done?
You're done.
Ready?
Set, go! Wow! We did it! Wait!
There's waves.
Huh?
Peninsula. Okay, say loud.
Lake!
Okay. What do we need for a lake?
All around. All around.
Okay, can you help me squish it down a bit? Here.
Done.
Phil?
Hands outside.
This looks like the lake.
Oh! Yay!
What is it?
A lake! Dear. Whoa!
Down a bit.
Bam! 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 I'm done. I did it. Go.
What is it?
A island. On an archipelago.
How many islands are we gonna make?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
Can you do an example of an archipelago?
What is it?
A country that's a group of islands.
Bahamas.
Yeah, but what else? Where do we live?
In the Philippines.
Is the Philippines an archipelago?
Yes.